Aloha and welcome back to Simple Living with Sophie. Here I am hiking all the way up to the top of Diamond Head, and there is some surprises on the way. There's these old structures from war affair here with looking out over the whole of Waikiki down here. So it's had some pretty significant meaning in the past for protecting the island. So I will be back with more info. There's a lot of stairs, I have to say that. Here we have the helicopter landing spot and the beautiful view over the crater here and all the stairs leading up. The lighthouse. Here on the very top of Diamond Head, there we have Kapolei Park and Waikiki way over there. Here we have the old setups for the cannons and the machine guns. Beautiful view over the reefs. And all the way over here to Waikiki. And here we have the machine forepost where you can have your gun. And then have a beautiful view over everybody coming in here. Pretty cool. And this is the inside of the bunker system, where you've had these winding stairs going up to the top viewpoint and winding stairs going all the way down. And the hiking switchbacks. All the way.
Sharp. Like it's not smoothed over like this. Okay.
Aloha, I just came down from finishing the Diamond Head Trail hike, and it was a beautiful, beautiful view from up there, I have to say. And also, it's a little rough towards the end of the trail, so bring some good shoes and water and a sun hat and some sunscreen and your camera. I would probably give this a 4 out of 5 because of the uneven steps at the end, but it's really spectacular once you get up there. So have a nice trip. Aloha. Aloha.